everyone, welcome to the Bong Voyagers. Hope you are doing well. It's a brand new month, it's a brand new day, and the best part about today is it's a weekend. So the last week was really hectic, but finally everything is done. So here we are, all set for our date night, and this is my date for tonight. Say hi.
Hello.
So let's see which is the best place around, and let's enjoy the rest of the evening. As you can see, both of us are wearing masks, so safety is paramount. Fun comes second to that. So make sure, even if you're going out for some fresh air or just for relaxation, don't forget the mask and sanitizer. So we've reached the place after a lot of thinking where to go, because most of the places are closed still. So this is where we've reached. Windmills Craftswork is the name. I'll just show you the decor. So we are entering the place now. I'm already liking the place because the decor is really beautiful. I'll just show you. This is what we have at the entrance. Let's get inside. I think they're open till 9, so I'm already very hungry. We have to quickly get inside and order some food. So we've reached finally Windmills Craftswork. I was eyeing this place for a very long time. It was in my wish list. However, this is not what I expected actually on a Saturday evening in Bangalore. It's eerily silent. I think the only table that has people is ours. It's actually sad. It actually makes me sad to see Bangalore like this. This is not Bangalore is what it is expected to be, especially on a Saturday evening, on a weekend. But as you can see, everything is quiet and silent here. But nonetheless, the place is beautiful, and I'm glad finally I've been able to come here. It's very highly rated in Google and Zomato and more sites. Hi everyone, just ordered my chicken and mushroom pizza. I think we are good to start with it. So this is a place, as you can see, it's beautiful. I've put down my mask because there is absolutely nobody around except my husband. So, and the waiters are not taking physical orders actually. We are, giving orders on almost it's contactless dining, so we're giving orders on the app itself. Let's take a tour of the place and see how it looks. As I said, this is not what you would expect on a normal day, because Bangalore is crowded on Saturday evenings, but it's a little different now. Everything's changed. I like how they've sanitized the seats and kept it ready for people to come in. It's big actually. It's quite big. So it's a brewery, but they probably closed down this section right now because in Bangalore they're not allowed to serve alcohol. In fact, they're not allowed to serve anywhere. Waiting for the pizza to arrive. There are different options. If you want to have a detailed menu, you can always check out on Zomato. They have contactless dining option here. What I really liked about this place is they're also giving out pre-mixes of cocktails, so that's really interesting. I think our pizza is being made. I think I'll order something more. I saw there's a fish and chips in the option. I saw Calcutta style roll. That's interesting. There is salad. There is kebabs also. So there is continental and kebabs, Indian, different option. By the way, this place is in Whitefield. The area is called EPIP zone, and this building has a couple of restaurants. I think they all under the same windmills craft work. There is one above this. It's called the Terrace. There is one Uta Bangalore also here. So maybe we'll come back and try different floors, because when we were getting up on the lift, I could see that each floor is dedicated to different restaurant. So that's interesting. I think another couple just walked in. I'm actually happy to see people entering, because safety and protecting ourselves is important, but I also keep thinking about the people who kind of earn, and it's been almost 4 months, so I don't know how these people who are working here, their incomes get affected. I mean, really don't know. All I can do is only hope and pray that Bangalore and the whole of the country and the whole of the world, everybody gets their life back soon, everything gets normalizes. I kind of hope and pray that every day, every single day. So our pizza is here. Looks delicious. I can actually see the mushroom, the chicken, and it's loaded with cheese. I can't wait to have it. I think my date partner has already started without me, so before he finishes it off, let me also have a bite quickly. I'll let you know how it tastes also. It's good actually. It's very soft. I think loaded with chicken and cheese, just the way I want it. So absolutely good. I think the salt is a little high. I mean, it's okay. We have put oregano on that, maybe because of that. But good. You can hear some lively music in the background. In fact, this is the stage where they arrange for jazz live music performances by some of the best bands. But that's not happening now. Obviously, that will not happen for some time. It's a very cozy corner. If you're a book lover, if you love reading, you can just take a seat in one corner, spend some time with yourself, read a book of your choice, and order food that you love. I have always loved this cafe and book concept, but this is the first time I'm seeing something like a pub and a book concept, which is also interesting. You can hold a glass of beer and enjoy. It's actually very relaxing. In fact, the outside seating area is as nice and cozy and relaxing as the inside joint. There's a lot of greenery. I think very peaceful and relaxing place. Very close to home, so definitely going to come here. And by the way, my fish and chips has also arrived. Oh, it looks delicious. As you can see, this is a very fulfilling plate. They have given 2 big slices of fish. I'm happy with the portion. One is already taken, so this is my portion. They've given a lot of sides. In fact, I've asked them to give some extra fries because I'm really hungry. They've given 2 types of sauces, tartar sauce and tomato sauce. I'm going to definitely prefer tartar sauce for fish and chips any day, and they've given some boiled peas, which again I like, and a slice of lemon. So the plate looks really delicious and fulfilling. So time to dig into it and see how the fish and chips tastes. It's good, really good. So we've started off from Windmill Craftswork. Had a good almost 2 hours time here. After a long time, we had a date. And just to sum up the perfect evening, it has started drizzling in Bangalore. The roads are eerily silent. I think I'm telling that again and again because it is really sad to see Bangalore like this, especially on a Saturday evening. I mean, last year this time, almost the whole of Bangalore would have been on street. On Friday to Saturday to Sunday, but if you can see, this is actually a party place, APIP zone, Whitefield, many offices around, and office goers normally visit pubs on Fridays and Saturdays, but hardly any people now. It's good that people are staying indoors, people are staying safe, but it's also very heartening to see the kind of precautions the restaurants are taking. I think I've been to a couple of places after the lockdown ended, and it's really good how they're taking care of the visitors, right from checking temperature at the entrance to giving sanitizer at every point in time. I think it's really good. They're thinking about the visitors, as well as they have to do their business, right? They earn their livelihood probably from the money that we pay. So it's important to strike a balance between the two. Having said that, I had a good evening. I wanted to go out and just take a break from the very monotonous and very hectic schedule that was in the last week, and I think it was a very relaxing place, safe because there wasn't any crowd, it was only us. At the same time, a good place to spend a quiet evening with my beloved. So with that, we will end for now, and I wish you good health and happiness. Stay well, and if you like our video, please do subscribe to our channel, The Bong Voyagers. We will try and present before you good places to visit, to eat out, because we are food lovers, we are travel lovers. We will try to share things of passion with you all. Hopefully you will enjoy and encourage us more with your love and affection. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.